I'm at an all-time low.
Others say they were nothing but folk tales to begin with. I'm okay with that. Hey there, bud. Remember me?
It's okay.
Hey, I am glad to see you too, bud.
He's not gonna eat your father.
How's the tail holding up? Oh, could use some oil and a little fine tuning?
Look, it's okay. They're friends.
Here,
Go on. It's all right.
come. He won't hurt you. Hold your hands out. Like this. That's it. Let him come to you. Legend says that when the ground quakes or lava spews from the earth, it's the dragons, letting us know they're still here, waiting for us to figure out how to get along. Yes, the world believes the dragons are gone, if they ever existed at all. But we Burkians, we know otherwise. And we'll guard the secret until the time comes when dragons can return in peace. Don't worry, bud. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise. Oh, come on, Dad. Really? Okay. No sudden moves. Hold on.
show you. What then? Hiccup! Come on, Gobber!
Okay, change of plan.
No dragon can resist the Alpha's command. So, he who controls the Alpha controls them all.
Toothless? Toothless, you okay, bud? What's going on?
Witness true strength. Strength of will over others. In the face of it, you are nothing.
What did he just tell you? Toothless! Come on! What's the matter with you? No, come on. What are you doing? Knock it off! Stop! Snap out of it! Toothless, no! Toothless! Don't!
Hiccup!
Stop!
Son!
Dad! No! No. Challenging the Alpha to protect you!
No! Fight back! Fight! Fight! What's the matter with you?
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Let this end now.
Never! Come on!
Alpha protects them all.